Today we're diving into the world of Rainmeter and showcasing the 10 best visualizer skins for 2024. Whether you're looking to spice up your desktop or just want some eye-catching visuals to go along with your music, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First up, we have the Monster Cat Visualizer. This skin is a classic and continues to be a favorite in 2024. It features a sleek customizable design that syncs perfectly with your music. You can change colors, adjust the bar count, and even integrate it with your media player. Next, we have Harmonic. This visualizer brings a wave-like notion to your desktop, creating a fluid and dynamic visual experience. It's highly customizable, allowing you to tweak the amplitude, frequency, and color scheme to match your style. Beast Bubble is our third pick. The visualizer features circular bars that expand and contract with your music. It's perfect for those who want a unique and modern look. You can adjust the circle size, bar count, and colors to fit your theme. Next up, Fountain of Colors. Fountain of Colors is a stunning visualizer that creates a fountain-like effect on your desktop. It's mesmerizing to watch and offers a variety of customization options. You can change the color, speed, and direction of the fountain to suit your preferences. Next up, we got a Symmetry. Halfway through our list, we have Symmetry. This visualizer displays your music in symmetrical bar patterns that pulse with the beat. It's clean, elegant, and perfect for minimalistic setups. Customize the colors and bar height to your liking. Polygon is a visually striking visualizer that uses polygon shapes to represent your music. It's great for adding a geometric flair to your desktop. You can adjust the shape, size, and colors, making it a versatile choice for any setup. Next up, we got Circular Spectrum. It is another fantastic option. It creates a circular spectrum analyzer on your screen, giving your desktop a dynamic and futuristic look. With options to customize the radius, thickness, and colors, it's a favorite among many users. For those who prefer a more refined look, Elegance is the perfect visualizer. It combines smooth animations with a minimalistic design, adjusts the bar width, height, and colors to match your desktop's theme. Neon Space brings a vibrant and colorful touch to your desktop. This visualizer uses neon lights and space-themed elements to create a visually appealing effect. Customize the glow, colors, and speed to your fit of your aesthetic. Last but not the least, we've got Simple Clean Visualizer. As the name suggests, it offers a straightforward and clean design that's easy on the eyes. It's highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the bar spacing, colors, and more. And there you have it, folks. These are the 10 best Rainmeter Visualizer skins for 2024. Each one offers unique features and customization options, so you're sure to find one that fits your style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.